Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stars on your weekly account settings. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here we search about stars on and you will click. Then we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here we will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.